Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Apple gift card on Roblox. Now it's a very easy process. So you simply open your Apple device where you have Roblox, then open Roblox. So in Roblox, when you try to get the points from here, and then over here whenever you will choose a package that you want to buy, let's say for example this one. So once we'll do that, a small pop-up will appear down below, and in these options you will find a lot of things, and one of them will be redeem code. So if you have this option, click on the redeem code option and then just simply enter the code right over here. You can also scan the code if you have that option. Now, let's say in your Apple device, you are unable to find this redeem code option directly on the transaction page. So if that is the case, what you will do is, you have to go back to your app store. And then over here, what you will do is you have to go to the profile at the top right. And then you should be able to see an option of redeemed. So just simply go inside that option and then click on redeem code, and then right over here you have to just simply enter the gift card that you have, and if you want you can also scan it. It's totally up to you. And once you will do that, the funds that are inside the gift card will be transferred to your balance of App Store, and once the balance is transferred, just simply go back to Roblox, then complete the transaction again. So click on the value and then just simply click on the pay option. You will be able to see the amount. And once you will click on the pay option, use your biometrics and complete the transaction. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.